Hi there, my name is Christian Kim. I'm with Kendall Volkswagen of Bend. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about the 2023 Volkswagen Jetta Sport. One thing that hasn't changed about the Jetta is going to be that it's a fun, practical, economical vehicle. The 7th generation of the Jetta comes with the sleek headlights and LED accent lighting, as well as the LED taillights. One awesome feature is actually the XDS cross differential system. It's going to improve your traction and handling on those late night drives on the back roads with those windy corners. It's going to help keep you planted on the road. With today's rising fuel prices, one thing you're really going to appreciate about the Jetta is its fuel economy. This gets 40 miles per gallon on the highway. It does that actually running on regular 87 octane fuel, so you're going to be saving a pretty penny at the pump. Very unique to the Jetta that I really love personally is that it's got a surprising amount of cargo space back here. Volkswagen does supply you with these Volkswagen cargo blocks. What they have is a sheet of Velcro on the bottom. You have a ton of groceries. This helps keep it locked into place. If you actually even need more than that, fold down the seats, move to the back, fold it down like so. 50-50 split allows for some versatility when it comes to trunk space. And so specific to the sport trim level are going to be these bucket sport seats. Bucket design helps hold you in around corners. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Even though it's a 4-cylinder, it is turbocharged. It's got enough torque and horsepower to have tons of fun. 8-speed automatic Tiptronic shifter, so you can actually manually shift up and down. Digital cockpit. So one thing that does make the Jetta easy to use on a daily basis is going to be the infotainment screen. Standard on all trim levels with Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Bluetooth connectivity all around. Adaptive cruise control helps maintain a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. Lane keeping assist, it'll pull you back into the lane if it senses you drifting out. Front assist, a car slams on its brakes in front of you. It's designed to stop the car if you're unable to do so yourself. Thanks again for watching. Again, my name is Christian Kim. If you're interested in driving this 2023 Volkswagen Jetta Sport, come on down to Volkswagen of Bend.
Kendall, let's start something great.